Today in our 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee, we'll be having a look at and installing the CURT Class 3 Trailer Hitch Receiver, part number C13065. Alright, here's what our hitch looks like installed. As you can see, the only part of our hitch that is visible from behind our vehicle is the actual 2-inch receiver opening itself with our safety chain loops on the bottom. The main receiver of the hitch is hidden behind a rear fascia, completely tucked up underneath the vehicle. Now, a few things that our customers have said about this hitch they really like is that it has a clean factory-like appearance, and I'll agree with them on that because it does look like a factory hitch on this vehicle. They like the fact that the receiver is the only part that is visible on it, with the frame being tucked up behind the fascia. Several of other customers have also said they've had no rust or wear issues at all with the hitch over an extended period of use. Now, our safety chain loops are a rolled steel design that's welded on the bottom of our receiver. They're a fairly decent sized opening. We shouldn't have any problems using most safety chains on them. What I like about these is that if we need to access them from the front, we can do that, the side, or the back of the receiver. So depending on how our safety chains are hooked on, or what type of locking device we're using to secure our ball mount, we shouldn't have any issue putting our chains on. On the side of our receiver here, you'll find our pinhole. It's our industry standard 5/8 of an inch pinhole that you can use to secure any of your hitch mounted accessories. Now, on the end of our receiver, you'll find this collar that's welded on to help give it a nice finished look and also give it some extra strength and durability for when you're towing a trailer. This hitch features a 500-pound max gross tongue weight rating and a 5,000-pound max gross trailer weight rating. It does support the use of weight distribution, and when you're using weight distribution on your trailer, your max gross tongue weight rating increases to 750 pounds and your max gross trailer weight rating increases to 7,500 pounds. You'll want to consult with the owner's manual of your Grand Cherokee and not exceed the limits that the vehicle is capable of. Now for a few measurements to better assist you in choosing any hitch mounted accessories you may need, such as a ball mount, bike rack, or a cargo carrier. You're looking at about 15.5 inches from the ground to the top of the 2-inch receiver opening, and about 4 inches from the center of the hitch pinhole to the rearmost part of the back bumper. Now that we've gone over some features of our CURT hitch, we'll show you how to get it installed. All right, we're gonna take a glance underneath our Jeep and have a look at where our factory bolts are that we'll be using to secure our hitch to the vehicle. We have 2 bolts on each frame rail that go in horizontally. This is our driver's side. And here are the 2 on the passenger side, right above our muffler. All right, so these bolts are a 21 millimeter, so we'll remove them. Okay, now we can grab an extra set of hands, raise the hitch on up, and secure it with the bolts that we removed. Okay, now we've started our bolts a little bit by hand. We'll tighten them back down. Okay, now we'll torque over our bolts to the amount specified in the instructions. And that completes our look at and installation of the CURT Class 3 Trailer Hitch Receiver, part number C13065 on our 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.